Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Update Messenger and back up any chats you can. You don't need to restore now, just protect data. Once done, make sure your device and registered phone number are accessible and that you've located any backup codes or recovery options. Then open Messenger, tap your profile, and go straight to secret conversations or end-to-end encryption settings. This gets you into the flow, so you can reset the forgotten PIN without extra delays. You will now perform the reset. Tap Forgot PIN and follow identity verification, typically an SMS code or your account password. This proves ownership. If SMS isn't an option, choose recovery codes or a trusted device prompt and make sure to complete any two-step checks. Once verified, enter a new PIN of at least 6 digits and enable biometric unlock if offered, because that balances security and speed. This middle phase is where the system re-encrypts keys under your finish by verifying that end-to-end encryption is active. Send a short test message and look for the secure badge or lock icon. If messages aren't syncing or you still see lock errors, sign out and sign back in or reinstall the app to refresh encryption keys. If problems persist, use your recovery codes or contact support for account-level verification. They can reissue recovery steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification SMS never arrives, switch to a trusted device or recovery codes before attempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.